Hello, Moist Freshman. This video is the second video for Session 2 of English Inquiries Unit 2, Mathematics. In this video, we are going to give you an example of how we answered the word problem about the cleaning event. Let's begin. We have two things left to do for Session 2. 1. Check your answers. 2. Write your reflections. In the next part, we are going to show you how Mr. Siemens solved this problem. He is going to write his letter. By this time, you should have finished writing your letter. If you are not finished writing your letter yet, pause this video and finish writing your letter first. There are many ways to answer this problem, and this is just one example. This is how Mrs. Siemens did it. Enjoy watching.
So now we're back, and in the last video I found a big problem with class 1's idea. They are over budget by 260 yen. But here, what do I have to do? My job is to act. I must write a letter to the class 1 students. Now, the class 1 students are my friends, so when I write the letter, I want to write the letter nicely. Dear Class 1, thank you for your nice idea. I want to clean the park with you. I checked your plan and I found a small problem. I think you are over your budget. Please look at the table. And now I'm going to, for the class 1 students, I'm going to write the table nicely. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Let's do one more. My check. And we start with 20,000 yen for your budget. We have 3,000 yen for trash bags. We have I've made a mistake, haven't I? 6,960 yen for gloves and 10,300 yen for tea. And that means it's a total cost of 20,260 yen. And that means, sorry class 1, I have to use red, we are 260 over. Okay, that's my table. Now, I can't stop there. I should give them an idea. I have an idea. Let's ask everyone to bring a water bottle. First, we can save 10,300 yen and do 2 clean up days. Next, we will not make more trash. Now this is my idea, but I still want to be polite. Did I make a mistake? Please tell me your idea. Then last I'll put Brad. There. Now my letter is done.
Now I want to write my reflections, so I will check the rubric. Let's check if my work can get 8 points. Could I mark all of the relevant parts of the word problem? Could I identify the main problem? What was it? Could I solve the problem? Did I give a solution? Is my solution logical and easy to understand? Did I use different mathematical representations, charts, graphs, tables? It's time to write your reflections. Here's mine. How are your answers? Is your letter logical? Logical means that it has different parts in order. Is your letter easy to understand? Did you use mathematical representations? Pause this video and write your reflections. How was it? We hope you learned something from this session. Don't worry about your answers. Again, it is important that you try. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.